Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get fresh leads from any post on Facebook. And what we're going to do is we're going to use a post. We're going to find somebody who probably already found a lot of our ideal customer avatar. So let's say we know that funnel builders are the types of people who will buy our products and services. Those are one of our customer avatars. So we're going to find somebody like Russell Brunson, who's a thought leader in that funnel building space. So funnel builders are going to be following Russell Brunson. So we're going to target his post because we know that Russell Brunson's customers are also our customers. And he is going to be using his content to find his customers. So we can piggyback off of that. And what we're going to do is we're going to go find some post for him. So we're just going to look and we're going to find some post. Here's a post right here. Now this post, it looks like is for his Expert Secrets books. So this is specifically kind of targeted for funnel builders. So what we're going to do is these are our leads right here. Okay. We know that right here, this list of people are our leads. Blake's one of our leads, he's a 2 Comma Club, he's, let's say, in our Dream 100. So we know these people, if they're liking or loving or hearting, we know these people are our leads. So what we're going to do, we're just going to click these buttons right here, these little 3 dots. We're going to click on Run Friender. And whenever we click on Run Friender, we have this option. We can just edit this if we want. We're targeting likes, hearts, and the hugs. We can target this oh wow also if we want to. And we're using a country filter where we're looking for tier 1 leads only. And those are the only filters that we're going to actually use here. So anybody that left a like or a heart or a huggy hug or an O or anyone who commented, if they're from a tier 1 country, guess what? Now they're going to be our leads. So Friender is just, we're going to hit Run Friender. Friender is going to go out. It is going to open this post up. It's going to start viewing people. And according to those filters, it is going to start adding those friends to our friends queue. So now automatically Friender will start, once we turn our friends queue on, Friender will start sending out friend requests and we'll start getting new leads automatically inside Friender. Just like that, you can see we've already got 77 new leads, just like that. So we've looked through over 200 people so far. We've got 91 leads so far, just like that. You can see how simple this was. All we did is we found somebody who is likely already congregated. Okay, so for example, hopefully you can see how easy this is to do in Friender. The concept I want you to understand is if the people who buy our products and services go to church, then going to church is a good place to find leads. Do you understand? If the people who go to church are our dream customers, then to find our dream customers, we could just go to church because it's already full of the people who go to church. So here what we're doing is we know our leads are funnel builders. Okay. Another example, if we're a car dealership, a used car dealership, a local used car dealership, what could we do? Well, where are our customers at? Probably all the other new car dealerships in the local area that are posting and running ads. They're congregating our ideal customers. We can target them. So that's all we've done here. And you can see we looked through 412 profiles. We got 145 new leads. That saved us 3 hours and 26 minutes of our time to not have to sort through them and try to filter them out, which was worth about $345 to us. And now if we go into Friender, we will see all of those leads. So we will see here are all of those leads. Here's one of them right here. We can see exactly where they came from. So I can understand they came from this post right here. Friender is going to track that these leads came from a specific post, and it is going to track the actual specific post that it's going to track the specific post that they came from, and now they're on my friends queue. I will start getting leads from here automatically through Friender. And that's how easy it is to get leads from any post on Facebook. It doesn't have to be Russell Bronson's post. It can be literally any post that you see on Facebook.